principle. everyone.
Oops.
It's time to gore the like button.
Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Morning, Jay. Nice to see you bright and early. Excuse me. I need to do something here. Where's my chart? There it is. All right. So, markets overnight. Popped, pulled back. Excuse me. Not sure where I'm all of a sudden. 68.75 for a high, 68.45 for a low. It's 30 points. NQ 902 for a high. It looks like 761 for a low. About 141 points. Early morning math. Hey Bison, how you doing? Copper's had a good night. About 240 ticks. Ultra Bond. About 18 ticks. No, 20 ticks. Gold, big drop. Big, huge drop last night. Then continued down over 100 points, 104 points in range. Crude oil, about 85 ticks in range. And Bitcoin sitting at just above 63. So that's where you sit stand or whatever body posture you're choosing to take. Saying Q's trying to bounce here. Gold trying to bounce as well. I mean, and gold's bouncing, I'm sorry. And Q maybe pulling back. Back down to the 9 on the 5. Watching. See where it wants to go. How was everybody this morning? A little choppy here. We got ADP employment change coming up here in about 10 minutes, a little less than 10. That doesn't really move the market much, or it feels like it used to. It feels like I only used to see that monthly. Now it's weekly. Keep chopping around. Mama told me we're gonna chop around. Blue candle trying to form on the 1. It did. But I'm not. See how it goes. Hey Miyagi, how you doing? Good start to the day. Watching for a setup. So far, I don't see any. Potential short here, but not confident in it. should have been confident in it. I didn't like the big wick. Yeah, look at that go. How about that? There we go. 5. Well, been good 5-7 points. Well, bounces off that 9 EMA right back up. Up seems like it might be the direction here, but we'll let it play out. ATR is 10, but it doesn't feel like we're getting 10 right now. And down we come. Still falling. So I could have taken that purple candle. I was a little hesitant because of being right into the 100 EMA there. I mean, sorry, not the 100 EMA. 9 EMA on the 5. What I meant to say. We could have got 5 points. And Q seems to be confused right now. Just chopping here. Because it's chopping right on that 9 with 5. It's causing my dings to ding. Trying that blue candle. Not the greatest entry. Just on the TPT eval. There we go. That was a quick 5 points. Could have got more on that trade. Looks like we could have got the 10 that the ATR was offering. Yeah, we could have. Wow. It's a nice pop there. Now it's trying to come back down. And it does. Y'all are quiet this morning. Bounce here off the 9.
Order filled.
Long. That fill. Yeah, not horrible, but not the greatest either. Looks like that one faked me out. Yeah. JC, thank you. Appreciate that. This one's going to stop me out, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. Don't call it a comeback. Come on, pop up. There we go.
Target filled.
There we go. Target hit. 2 for 2 on this take profit eval. So now that we're warmed up, I'm going to activate the copy trader. And hopefully I don't mess it up today. Or if I do, I hope it's the same mess up as yesterday. By the way, I have a video coming out today after stream about yesterday. Yeah, what happened was I accidentally had so in Replicanto I had two different setups for NQ. I mean, well, MNQ. There's one was just a regular NQ setup where it would take, I mean, MNQ setup where it'll take what was supposed to be copied. The other was supposed to be set up for NQ that would copy a leader over to MNQ and take 3 contracts. So it was a factor of 3. But for some reason it was set to MNQ and I had the same leader on both of them. So when I took the trade, it took the one that it was supposed to for the 3 micros, and then because it was a factor of 3, it took the other one for 3 times 3, which was 9, so a total of 12. The scary thing is that would have gone wrong. If that would have gone wrong, it would have blown 6 funded accounts and put several others in critical care. Still rising here. And honestly, I mean, I'm glad that I didn't have my P&L up where I could see it as the trade was happening, because I would have freaked out and got out of the trade early. So that also worked in my favor. I didn't know it happened until after the trade was done. I was looking to see exactly how much I got, and then I saw those numbers. NQ rising up nicely here. With a bunch of Fed speakers coming up next hour. Collins and Bostic right at the top of the hour. Waller 10 minutes after the top of the hour, and Collins at 9:35, 5 minutes after the bell. That's a potential short there, but I'm not taking it. Don't like that wick down, but there you see it kind of going. Let's see if it gives us 5. Really, we need to look at 6 instead of 5 because, oh yeah, it would have there. That would have been beautiful, beautiful. And continuing the fall. Excuse my yawn. And bouncing back up. And back down. And back up. It's yo-yoing right now. It's unsure. Down is the direction it's deciding, it looks like. Just a trickle down here. Gold, though, dumping hard. Look at gold going down there. And there's NQ no longer trickling. It's going a little bit faster. Q hits the 5-minute 9 EMA and bounces. And quite the bounce. That was a great entry there that I didn't grab. Okay, time to start actually taking trades. Wow, what a bounce that was. It's a perfect setup too. We had bells coming down on the reds. This hits that 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart that I have plotted there, and then boom, look at that. Hey Jay, how's it going? Big bounce on gold there too. I have gold on a 15-minute chart trying to watch it kind of. And Q's still going back up. We're in a blue zone now. Not one of those places where people live longer. Not that type of blue zone. Still rising. SC and Q are rising. I see profits on the way. Hey, Ron, how you doing? Hey, Robin. Ron, how much snow did you get?
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Whoa, where'd that other voice come from? Oh, oops. Forgot I had Tradovate up. There we go. Tight stop on this trade, only about 5 points. And we're looking for about 6. May not give it to us. Wow, Ron, wow. It's a lot of snow. Hey, Paul, good morning. Yep, we got stopped out, so we're starting red on the day. Damn it. I hate that. That gets in my head. No, what did I do there? Take that off the freaking copier. Hey, John, how you doing? Risen up to 883. Hey, I'm Matt. How you doing? It's a big candle now. Red.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Down to the 9 EMA. Can it break it? Can it break it? I feel like I should have taken the target there. Now bouncing. Damn it. Come on. I gotta start listening to myself and taking the move off onto the 9. Yep. This was stupid. Stupid trade management. Stupid trade management. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Just damn stupid. Oh, maybe not. I don't know why you're all getting on my case. Okay. Joking, guys. Joking. Joking, joking, joking. Come on, break it, break it, break it off some, break it off some.
Order filled.
Target hit. Told you the target would get hit. Now we're back to green on the day. Only $10, but we're back to green on the day. Honestly, my target should have been bigger there, but I just wanted to get the numbers back to green. Well, maybe my target shouldn't have been bigger. Struggling here. Gold coming back down. Actually, wow. It hit my target and it did not go a tick further. So I got lucky. I see a purple trying to form there. But fails. It's a purple failure. It's a one-eye, one-ear flying purple people eater. There's a song for you older people. And then Q continues to rise. Yeah, it is. Jay. It is dumb. There was a lot of songs from that era that were dumb but catchy. Back down. That she wore for the first time today. There's like Wipeout, which had one word and a little bit of laughing. Wipeout. No, that's a itsy bitsy spider. So let's slowly grind back down. Wow, look at gold. Gold's down 31 points on this 15-minute candle that's about to close. We are just about at the top of the hour. And NQ coming back down. I actually got an entry there in NQ that I didn't take. And it would have been this one right, it would have been this candle right here. After the big green wiki thing, getting that red candle that was just floating there would have been a great entry. But we wait for the next one. Gold is trying to bounce now. It's a slow grind down, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 straight red candles. Just as I say that, we got a blue one. Followed by a purple.
Order filled.
For short. Ooh, spits down real quick and then shoots back up. Come on, come on, come on. There we go.
Filled.
Quick target hit there, 5 points. Actually, it was almost 6 points, 5 3/4. Nice, Robin. I could have got 10 there. I put the target on that 5-minute 9 EMA, but I could have got 5 more out of that. Hey, Ace, how are you? Nice, Paul. $1,100. I was streaming live that night when that happened. That was interesting. The Russia invades Ukraine. And he's bad. Bad to the bone. Wow, that's a huge deal. NQ continuing to drop here. We're dropping like it's hot, dropping like it's hot, dropping like it's hot. as of right this second, two of my, hold on, one, two, yeah, two of my Apex accounts are now up over $1,000 in profit. U.S. consumer confidence, 30 minutes after the bell, I'm at. That can sometimes give the market a small jolt. I saw that AMD news here. It says deploying up to 6 gigawatts of AMD GPUs. Isn't 6 gigawatts enough to send Marty McFly back to 1955? Bounce there on NQ. Big bounce there. 9 points back up to that 9 EMA. Continuing to move down. All the indices pulled back here. Hey, USC. Gold bounced. No accidental trades yet. Yeah, I know. Yeah, and actually, I have a video coming out about that trade after the stream, but I accidentally set it to. You can set a leader. You can set up tabs. I had 2 different tabs set up for MNQ, and one of the tabs was supposed to be for NQ, where the leader would copy over to the follower accounts. The leader would be on NQ, the follower accounts on MNQ, and it was supposed to take 3 based on taking 1 NQ. So it was a factor of 3. But I had it set on MNQ, and I had it set for to take 3, so it multiplied it by 3 to 9. And I had the same leader on 2 different tabs. So that's what caused the 12. Nice job, Ace. That's a nice pullback here. We are about 11 minutes to the bell. This is just a pretty much straightforward all the way down. One day I'll learn to take these trades and just hold them as they go all the way down. Good chance this bounces up here for a good for a good 8, 9 points. Let's see. I did not take it, obviously. ATR's dropped to 7. We were at 10 when the stream first started as we head toward the bell. It did not bounce like I thought. Luckily, I didn't take it. Still coming down. Gold with a nice bounce on the 15. Still coming down. So we hit a high on this move of 879. I'm sorry, not 892. We've dropped 60. Still falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. I'm going to take a gold long at the open. Checking the just on the TPT account, but making sure that I don't have anything weird going on there, and I don't. Good. We're going to try a 2-minute NQ long here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Target hit. That was a small trade, 3.5 points. Not adding much to the total. Thank you, Ace. Now, if you watch my weekly
2 minutes till the
video,
bell.
you saw that I said about a $50 a day goal. If you look at the screen right now, I've reached that. But I'm not stopping. Right now I'm copy trading. Well, actually, I'm copy trading more. You don't see the Tradeifys on there. Actually, where is Tradeify? Oh, there they are. So 22 accounts right now, up at least $50. So I'm up $1,100 on the day. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, let's get ready to rumble. Big drop on NQ right before the bell, down to 24,800.
Order filled.
Forgot to hit the bell button. Ooh. Choking to death. And Q's being all weird. I forgot to ask whether you all thought it would be red, green, or red or green to start the day. Look at this move on gold. I'm up 93 ticks. Pulling back a little bit there. Meanwhile, NQ's dying. Wow, down 33 points, and there's gold pulling back. I shouldn't have said anything. Damn it. Or I should have taken profit. Harsh move down here on NQ, down 50 points. And wow, my gold trade just turned against me. Dang it. This is why I should take profit. I wanted to get back up to that 9 EMA. It's only one micro, so it's no biggie. Potential bounce here. RSI is extremely oversold. Not that I believe in oversold, but you know. Bouncing. I like big bounces, and I cannot lie. These other brothers can't deny. Gold coming back up for me. NQ coming down hard. We're down 64 points since the open. No what, USC? What are we knowing? If you don't know, now you know. Still falling. 77 points now. Oh. Q cheesing a bounce here, but sure, I like it. Maybe I do.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, it's like I'm good. Oh, maybe not. Come on. Should have stayed out. Should have stayed out. Should have stayed out. We are gonna go red here, I think. Yeah. Maybe not. Come on. Yeah. Wow. Wow, really? Got within 3 ticks of my stop there. Came back up. Now it's coming back down again.
Order filled.
Yeah, that was stupid. I should have got out in that first red
Order
candle.
filled.
Wait, did something fill? No, okay. Now I'm red. Fuck.
Target filled.
But we hit the target on gold. Never listen to myself and get out when I should. Always tell myself get out on the first. If a red candle forms, get out. Or your opposite candle forms, get out. And I don't listen to myself. Instead, I take a 20-point stop. Breaking 700 here. There's a bounce.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
The hell are you talking about? Why are you saying all that stuff?
Order filled.
Target hit. I don't know why I kept saying order filled, order submitted. There we go. Now we're back to green.
Order filled.
Wait. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Something. Okay. I don't know what just happened there. Copier was being weird. But look at that pop. I should have stayed in. Now we're back to green. That was a 27-point trade there. 27.5 points. So see, now my huge mistake there was, let's look at this chart. I entered this one first. If I had just taken the loss on that small red candle there, it would have been about 5 points, maybe, with slippage, let's say 7 instead of the full 20. And then re-entered on this one, and it was beautiful. The other thing is I tell myself I should just let the first candle run. If I had, that would have been a nice 74-point win instead of 27. That's the next habit I need to break. When I get in a trade and it's going against me, I don't want to get out. And I got to, because when I back test, I tell myself, get out on the first red candle.
Connection lost.
We're still rising up. What a bounce. What a bounce. So we got down to 694, and we're already back up to 869. It's almost a 200-point bounce in 5 minutes. Thinking it's going to go short here, and I bet you it's going to go a bunch, but I didn't take it. We'll see. Would have went 8 so far, but it's kind of bobbing around there. What do you mean the P&L board is off? Oh, wait. What the heck happened? Okay, hold on. Thank you. There it goes. I accidentally minimized the window. Thank you. Wow, look at this just go. So what's our overnight high? Oh, we're just about there. 902.10. It's slightly less than $2,000 worth of funded accounts over there right now. Gold stalled out just a tad. NQ still looking strong. New high day. NQ, boom. Just continues to rise. SCNQ horizon. I see.
To the moon.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Trying a short here, though, on that red candle, and that's probably going to be stupid. Yep.
Order filled.
That was stupid. Now I gave back most of my profit, and a few counts went red. Check NQ wants to get back to 25,000, maybe. Gotta learn to stop doing those. I mean, the reversals work at times, but not in strong trends. And I tell myself that all the time. So here I go and try again.
Order filled. Order filled.
So we're gonna go red on the day here, on all counts. Maybe not. Come on, push down, push down, push down, push down. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, light my fire. No, don't bounce there. There's nothing to bounce on there. Go. Purple candle. There we go. Oh, really? Come on. What did I get down to? 911, and I had my target at 908. There we go. That's a winning trade. And we're back to green. That 14-point trade.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Honestly, it's probably gonna go further now. I mean, it's got a purple candle too. It's probably gonna continue to come down. There we go. Somehow I hit the mute button. So anyway, that I said that was going to go down to the 863 area, which it did, which is the 100 EMA. I mean, sorry, the 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Price seems to love returning to that 9 EMA on the 5-minute chart. I just got to learn to hold trades based on that confidence, because that would have been an extra 50 points from where I got in. From where I got out. Or what I need to do is set up an ATM, since I'm going in with multiple micros, take my profit on all but one, and then let one try to run. Maybe I need to do that later. Can you all hear me now? Okay. I don't know how I hit that. When I hit the chicken dinner one, somehow I hit the mute button as well.
Extra read all about it. News in a few minutes.
Q trying to bounce up here. Gold pulls back. And there's the fall. Consumer confidence, 91.2. They forecasted 87.1. That's a big beat. So naturally, we dropped 50 more points. Well, that's good because I'm hungry. But today's a fasting day. but I'm already hungry. So that's not a good thing. So hopefully they're not cooking anything yummy. Bouncing. Didn't trust it, but my setup. I last ate last night about 5:30ish. I can eat again. I'll eat again tomorrow after the stream ends and after I feed the cats, so about 11 a.m. ish. And I will be having uh, scrambled eggs and ground beef. And then I will have 2 meals tomorrow. And then I will fast again on Thursday. And then I'll have 2 meals on Friday. And depending on how I feel, I might fast from Friday evening till Sunday evening. And on Sunday, I'll have a steak. I need to get back to working out. I think my knee's getting better. Yeah, I mean, if you don't have weight to lose or much weight to lose, 1 day a week's actually pretty good. Um, that way your metabolism doesn't get, messed up. It's definitely got to make sure you're eating enough protein when you're not fasting. Still trying to come down here. Just kind of hanging. It's like I can't decide if what's to go up or down here. I like pepper jack. Pepper jack, Munster. I love Munster cheese. There is a bounce. Now we might be heading towards your target there, Ace. I've never even heard of that kind of cheese, Ace. Cheese is one of the main reasons I am the weight I am. Interesting. Yeah, I've never heard of it. You taught me something new today, Ace. That's a big candle. Looking for more. Provolone is another favorite of mine. Coinbase opens 24/5 stock trading to U.S. users. There's another rise up. This is a 40.3 minute candle. Pulls back.
Order filled.
Short.
Order submitted.
Dangerous area though. Looks like it might want to bounce on me. Yep, it bounced on me. Come on back. Come on back for me. There we go. Boom. Ah. Boom. Target hit. There we go. 91 to 70. That was a 21.25 point trade.
That's a winner.
And look at those numbers on the side. Yep. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yep. 20 accounts. No, 20. It's got to be more than 20. Oh yeah, missed a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 22 funded accounts. Let's say an average of $210 per account. That's about almost a $5,000 day. Nice bounce here. Eight of my 20 apexes are now above starting balance. My one Tradify is now within $30 of starting balance. And all of my apex, all the rest of my apexes are now within $700 of the starting balance. Most accounts, if you include yesterday and today, are up $1,000 this week. Continuing to move down here a bit. Gold trying to push up. Nice bounce off the EMA there. That's what I gotta get better at is watching for that. It's one of the things I need to get better at least. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Oh yeah, and to add to my lucky day yesterday, I got a $3,750 offer on that Shohei Ohtani card that I hit. And I've sold over $400 of other cards in the last few days. And Cube, coming up. Ace, this might be your run towards your 6909 on ES. Or maybe it'll pull back again and I actually just shut up. This might be a short opportunity right here. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe so. I think it wants to come down here. Continuing to head up is NQ 125,000. It's made a new high of the day. Bitcoin heading up nicely as well. Gold's rising. Everything's happy right now. Copper's up. Crude oil's not happy. Crude oil, big pullback on crude. And the euro also pulling back. $9.88, getting close. $9.91, it's getting close. $9.98. It's getting close. There it is, 25,000. So we've been here the last few days. I mean, it just keeps coming back to 25,000. Dips, comes back up, dips, comes back up. Ah. A little red candle is kind of tempting, but nope, just went green. Glad it didn't stay tempting. So 1 minute chart here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13 straight green candles. Wow, look at it go. And we reached the top. Maybe not. Apparently not. How we doing today, guys? Red, green, or somewhere in between?
Order found. Order submitted.
Got in late there, I think. Yeah, I got in 3 points late as it's bouncing on me. I may give back a lot of profit here. Yep. Damn it.
Order filled.
Damn. So I gave back about half my profit. Nice script. Only went 6 more ticks after my stop. If at first you don't succeed, risk your profit and try again.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Why is it still showing on my screen? I don't see a P&L still. Oh, wait. Take profit's still moving. That's odd. So it filled all the micros, but it did not fill the mini. That's weird. So I hit profit on all the other accounts, but the one on NQ did not hit the target. So I got most of my profit back there, off by about $30. Still in on the actual NQ trade here. You know what? That's an eval. I'm going to move the target down way far. Teo and his family went to Phoenix over the weekend, and I think they're coming back today, so it's a family trip. I just saw him pop on Discord. Stop's just about to break even, but it looks like it's bouncing up back up on me here. Yep. Well, coming back down. Coming back up. Looks like it's going to take me out break even. Coming back down, baby. There we go. Beautiful purple on the one. There's 2 candle pullbacks. I stuck through it there. Ace is just happy I have my stop at my break even. I'm glad I hit my target on all the followers because this would be nerve-wracking if it hadn't. Looks like now it's going to come up and nail me again. I thought this was one to go down, but you can't get through that 9 EMA on the 1. Yeah, come on, baby. There we go. There we go. Oh, 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 there we go. It's fighting 25,000. And it just bounced on it. Tries to break it again. Wow, what a fight here. So we're gonna move our stop into profit above that last purple candle, and I think it's about to get nailed. Yep. So it ended up being a profitable trade, but only by 4 points. It was as much as 20, so it was badly managed, and it could still come down here. But that's okay. Like I said, the rest of them hit profit, so I can't complain at all about that. Yeah, YouTube's weird about that, Crypt. They won't allow you to say unalive yourself either. And I'm glad I got out of there. Look at that. So, wasn't the best managed trade. I really thought it wanted to drop there. It obviously did not. I think this is a short here, but I didn't take it. And look at that. Yep, it's going. Well, maybe. We'll see if it goes. It's gone 8 so far. Yep. So why did I think that was going to be a short? Because we popped up and then we immediately popped back down, and it was a floating red candle. And yeah, I should have taken it. Told myself, but if I ever get comfortable with my setups, it's going to be an absolutely amazing thing. Just absolutely amazing. Then turn the copier off. So any trade I take is just going to be able to take profit eval now. chopping around here. Gold continued to rise there. And there we come. There's the down move. Well, it's kind of running in the same area, though. It's got to get through that resistance. And we do have a bell. So I don't really... It's a purple candle, but I really don't want to take it there. I don't think. It's still fighting right at 25,000 as well. Let's see what it does. Let's try him. Let's push it down real slightly. There's a quick burst down. Bounced right back up though. Got down to 980, bounced back up to 990. Gold's pulling back again. There we go. Another move back down to the 980 area. Very slow grind down. And it finally got down to that 9 EMA on the 5. Look at that. Bounce off that EMA. Strong bounce. I'm going to take it. I'll take profit.
Order filled.
I think it's going to come right back down, which is what it's doing there. Well, maybe not. Come on. Yeah, maybe. Yep. Target at 10 points. Not going for a lot if it does come up for me here. Probably should have the target at 80 around the 9 EMA on the 1, but we'll see what happens. That sandwich area was a risk. And I wasn't going to risk the funded accounts on that risky trade. Looks like it wants to continue down. Trying to see if it wants to bounce off that red line again. Giving it room to try and do that. Nope. It's going to break it. Bounces back above it. Okay, there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nope. Bounces off the 9. Oh, there we go. Come on. You can do it. Nope. Oh, see, it's just bouncing between EMAs right now. There it goes. There it goes. Oh. Trying to get momentum. I think it's going to reject off V there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. I got to learn to start taking profit when it first... No, never mind. There we go. Ended up being a winning trade to finish the day. 982.75 to 993.25, so 10.5 points on the take profit eval. And that's how we finish today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern time for some more great trading action. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. And we'll see you then. Bye.